How to use Procore for submittals. So pretty much an easy tutorial on how to do so. We can't really show you since we can't get a subscription, but anyways, first you're gonna have to log in and access um submittals. So open your Procore account on desktop or mobile. So just go ahead and log in, put in your email and continue. You can do this in their website or pretty much on your mobile. So from the project dashboard, once you are there, you can go ahead to the project tools and then to the submittals. You can create a submittal and the key fields, there's title, spec sections, type, and respondable contractor. You can attach the files and documents once you are there, and then upload PDFs, images, or other required documents. So if needed, you can drag in multiple files to keep everything in one record. You can also assign the workflows like reviewers and approvers, so preparers, reviewer and approver. So set the due dates for each stage to track the accountability. So as you can see, you can then submit for review. So click submit for review. Procore automatically routes it to the assigned reviewers, and each person will get a notification to act. You can also strike the status. So use the submittals log to see statuses, so open, in review, approve, rejected, or revise and resubmit. You can filter and export logs to keep stakeholders updated, and then once approved, Procore lets you distribute the final document to subcontractors or field teams. This ensures everyone builds according to approved specs, and that is for distribution approved the submittals. So once you do that, you should have been able to finally use Procore for submittals. It's that easy. It's as easy as accessing the submittals, which is pretty much found in the project tools, and then just straight to the submittals. But anyways, hopefully the information of this video can help you. You can always learn more directly here in Procore. You can open their website in your preferred browser, search for Procore, and learn about a specific feature like budgets or stuff like that, or for your case, the submittals. But hopefully the information of this video can help you. And again, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.